You have been lied to. They told you that if you work hard, save your money, and play by the rules, you will eventually become wealthy. But look around you. People are working harder than ever, yet they are drowning in debt and living paycheck to paycheck. There is a silent thief in your pocket, stealing your future while you sleep. And if you do not identify this thief today, you will be forced to work until the day you die. That thief is the illusion of safety. Most people think their savings account is a fortress. In reality, it is a leaking bucket. With inflation devaluing currency every single second, your saved money is losing purchasing power faster than you can earn it. The rich do not save money. They own assets. While the masses are collecting paper, the wealthy are collecting equity, real estate, and digital gold. The second trap is the status game. We live in a world designed to keep you broke by making you look rich. People buy things they do not need with money they do not have to impress people they do not even like. This is the consumer loop. Every time you upgrade your lifestyle before upgrading your investments, you are simply building someone else's empire while destroying your own. To break free from this cycle, you need a minted mind. You must stop trading your time for money and start trading value for scale. Wealth is a game of leverage. It is about building systems that work when you are not working. It requires shifting your entire perspective from a consumer to a creator, and from a saver to a strategic investor. The world is changing rapidly, and the old rules of money are officially dead. You can either be a victim of the system or the master of your wealth. If you are ready to dismantle these traps and master your mind, join our community. Subscribe to The Minted Mind. Your journey to financial sovereignty starts right now.